Uses of water. All living things need water to grow and survive. We use water for drinking. We use water for bathing. We use water for cooking. We use water for washing clothes. We use water for washing hands. We use water for brushing. We use water for cleaning. We use water for washing utensils. We use water for swimming. We use water for farming. We use water for plantation. We use water for industrial use. Animals need water to drink. Plants need water to grow and survive. Water is very precious source of nature. We should not waste water. Please like, share and subscribe.